Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. We are working on 100 days series to CAT 2025. Yesterday I covered how to analyze RCs which were in a huge demand from you guys. So today we are talking about something very important when we talk about VA part. So let's start the video. So we are talking about something that is very confusing for many of us. So let's start. We are talking about parajumbles. Guys, parajumbles are not about luck, they are a logic puzzle. If you can spot connectors, referents, and sentence roles first, you can crack them every time. Let me show you how. First of all, please understand what is a parajumble. A parajumble gives you sentences in random order. Your job is to reconstruct the original paragraph. So do not think that you have to construct something on your own. The key skills which used to solve parajumbles is identifying the opening sentence, matching pronouns and reference, spotting cause effect and chronology, and recognizing sentence function, that is intro, example, conclusion. Now I will give you a few steps. So the first is read all sentences quickly, get the gist. Find candidate openers, that is sentences with no pronoun references or that make broad set statements. Third, spot clear reference, words like this, they, such, therefore, dates, or explicit nouns that must point back. Fourth, identify connectors and sequence marker. These are very important. Time words जैसे कि then, later. Cause effect जैसे कि because, therefore. Contrast जैसे कि but, however. Fifth, pair sentences. Find two that clearly link जैसे कि pronoun noun या फिर phrase continuation. Sixth, assemble small chains and then combine them into a full paragraph. And seventh, check flow and tense consistency. Final sanity check. Yes. Now I will talk about techniques and clues. पहला है pronoun जो होता है वो link backward है, ठीक है. This, these, such यूजुअली रेफर टू प्रीवियस नाउन या फिर आइडिया. तो कहीं भी ये तीन वर्ड दिख जाए समझ जाना. हाउएवर, बट, ये दोनों ज़्यादातर इंट्रोड्यूसेस कॉन्ट्रास्ट, कोई कभी भी ओपनर नहीं होते हैं ज़्यादातर. आई एम टॉकिंग मोस्टली. फोर्थ, कंक्लूडिंग सेंटेंसेस often summarize and may contain words like therefore, thus or speak in general terms. Fifth, ओपनिंग सेंटेंस जैसे कि जनरल स्टेटमेंट हो सकता है, डेफिनेशंस हो सकता है, ब्रॉड क्लेम हो सकता है या फिर बैकग्राउंड हो सकता है. कॉमन मिस्टेक्स जो मैं करती थी, जो तुम लोग करते हो, जो सब करते हैं, वो ये है. पहला, पिकिंग अ सेंटेंस दैट कंटेन्स दिस एज अ ओपनर. कभी भी दिस एज अ ओपनर वाला सेंटेंस नहीं होगा. एंड व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट कभी भी, इट मीन्स मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. दूसरा, इग्नोरिंग पंक्चुएशन क्यूज़. गाइस ये बहुत अच्छे क्यूज़ होते हैं, बहुत अच्छा जुगाड़ है. जैसे कि कोलन हो गया, डैशेज हो गया, ये जो होते हैं ना, ये कॉन्टिन्यूएशन दिखाते हैं. तीसरा, रशिंग, बिकॉज अ काम 10 to 15 सेकेंड लॉजिकल रीड सेव्स टाइम लेटर. तो इतना ज़्यादा रश की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है व्हेन इट कम्स टू पैराजम्बल्स. प्रैक्टिस एग्जाम्पल्स नाउ. तो अब हम सॉल्व करते हैं साथ में. वील डू 3. I'll display scrambled sentences, solve out loud and then reveal final paragraph. तो सबसे पहले तुम लोग अपने से सॉल्व करना, पॉज कर दो, उसके बाद मेरा देखना. तो रीड ऑल, मार्क ओपनर्स, पेयर प्रोनाउंस, लिंक कनेक्टर्स, बिल्ड एंड चेक. टाइम टिप. सबसे पहले फर्स्ट 15 to 20 सेकेंड एनालाइजिंग, 30 to 40 सेकेंड टोटल सॉल्विंग फॉर 4 to 5 sentences in CAT. That is faster with practice. So the first is example I would take will be easy. So you can see the question on your screen. The first is tomatoes are rich in vitamin C. They are used in salads and sauces. They also provide lycopene and antioxidant. Tomatoes are a staple in many cuisines. कर लिया read all जो step 1 था. अब look for openers. D and A both are statements, but D, tomatoes are staple in many cuisines, is broader. I talked about broader पहले भी. तो likely opener. Pronouns. They in sentence B and C refer to tomatoes. So they must follow a noun sentence. That is clear here. Sequence. After opener D, that is broad, we expect uses or specifics, that is B, which is used in salads, then nutrient facts A, then C, or A then C. Now you might be confused कि इन दोनों में क्या होगा. A and C both are generating nutrient facts. A, vitamin C is a general nutrient. C adds also suggests it follows a prior nutrient sentence. So order should be D, B, A, C. So I hope that is clear. So tomatoes are a staple in many cuisines. They are used in salads and sauces. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C. They also provide lycopene and antioxidant. Now मूविंग ऑन टू एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2. अभी जो मैंने ईजी वाला जैसे सॉल्व करा है, यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट वैसे ही. तो अब तुम लोग वापस से ट्राई करना. तुम्हारे सामने एक क्वेश्चन है, पढ़ लिया, पॉज कर लो. स्टेप 1, रीड ऑल. तो अब मैं तुम्हें बताती हूँ. ओपनर्स. 2 looks like a clear opener because introduces a principle. 4 is a sibling technique, that is interleaving. 5th starts with by alternating subjects. Explains interleaving, so 5 should follow 4. 1 is a summary benefit of this approach. Pronoun this points back, so it cannot be opener. I already explained in my steps. Must follow describing an approach. 3 begins with consequently, that is result. It should come after benefits like 1. Chain कैसी होगी? 2 introduce spacing, then 4 introduce interleaving as another method, then 5th because it explains interleaving by alternating, then 1, this approach reduces cognitive overload, general benefit of such methods, then 3, consequence retention improves. So 2, 4, 5, 1, 3. तो you know how to solve it. अब हम हार्ड वाला करते हैं. तुम्हारे सामने स्क्रीन पर क्वेश्चन है, कर लिया सारा रीड. नाउ जो डी सेंटेंस है वो एक गुड थीमेटिक ओपनर है, ब्रॉड स्टेटमेंट है, क्योंकि कॉन्ट्रास्ट मार्कर है बी, क्योंकि वो हाउएवर से शुरू हो रहा है. सो इट कॉन्ट्रास्ट समथिंग सेड अर्लियर, नॉट ओपनर. प्रोनाउंस एंड चेंज. सी शोज नेगेटिव आउटकम फ्रॉम इम्प्लीमेंटिंग विदाउट रिट्रेनिंग, likely follows a sentence asserting tools alone are insufficient, D or B. E describes what early adopters did, so training and workflow change, which counters C. A states result needs preceding explanation of investment, which is given in E. So F is advice, therefore conclusion summarizing, so is a plausible chain. D theme. B add nuance like success depend on alignment. Then C gives a negative example, implementing tools without retraining leads to failure. E counter example, early adopters invested in training and changed workflows. A as a result, early adopters show productivity gains. Then F, therefore leadership must focus on chain management. So D, B, C, E, A, F. Now you know how to solve it. So अब हम वापस एक बार देखते हैं. You have to read all the sentences once. Mark 1 to opener candidates. Circle pronouns and repeated nouns. Underline connectors like however, therefore, by, because, time words. Pair obvious matches जैसे कि pronoun के बाद noun. Build small chains and join. 7th step is reread full paragraph for flow and tense. If stuck, pick opener plus test 2 likely followers. Quick plug-in wins. Common traps and how to avoid them. ट्रैप जो सबसे ज़्यादा कॉमन होता है, चूजिंग अ सेंटेंस विद दिस एज ओपनर, जो मैंने पहले बताया. अब इसको कैसे अवॉइड करना है, देखो. दिस इज़ ऑलवेज पॉइंटिंग बैकवर्ड, तो वो ओपन नहीं कर पाएगा. बहुत ज़्यादा एक ट्रैप ये होता है कि हम ओवर ट्रस्ट कर लेते हैं टेम्पोरल वर्ड्स को, जैसे कि देन. हम रेफरेंस चेक ही नहीं करते हैं. तो इंश्योर करना कि देन हैज़ अ लॉजिकल प्रीसीडिंग इवेंट टू रिफर टू. नाउ आई विल गिव यू अ प्रैक्टिस प्लान फॉर नेक्स्ट 7 days. Day 1 to 2 should be focused on 20 easy parajumbles into 10 minutes. That is, you have to take 10 minutes. Identify openers and pronoun links. Solve it as the method I explained above. Day 3 to 4 should be to solving some harder level parajumbles with PYQs. Then you should move to hard parajumbles. Then on day 7, give sectional mock, topic test of parajumbles under the exam timing. review errors and pattern mistakes. Now, you have now seen that how to solve the parajumbles. You have understood the method. I have shared the common mistakes that you should not do. So you are ready to go for the parajumbles. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more CAT decoding sessions. Drop any parajumble in the comments which you would like me to solve. I will solve it in the next video. Thank you. Keep working hard. All the best for CAT 2025. Prepare well.